evening to all of you. This is Shoykot Banerjee, your host. On behalf of Smart Codings, I am back again with another topic, that is input to an array, part 2. So, as in the last video, I have said you students that there are 4 ways to take input in Java, as you can see in the screen. Already I have said you the first one. Today I will be dealing with the second one, that is BlueJS system or function argument. Right. So, how to take in input to an array using function argument or BlueJS systems. So basically, at the time of taking the inputs to an array using function arguments or BlueJS system, in that case, we are taking the inputs at the time of program execution or execution of the program. As you can see in the screen, the definition is clearly written. The data values, the elements of the array or of an array are entered or taken as an input at the time of program executions, right? I'll be demonstrating you with a clear example programming in a BlueJ editor from beginning. So don't worry. Syntax is like this. In the main method, we are taking the array as input. Array name I've given as array1, and this is the array symbol. In the main method signature, we are taking this one. We're passing this as argument, passing the parameter of array type to take input through a BlueJS system at the time of program execution. So how it works? Let's quickly code it from a scratch. Students, very specifically, I'm making this video to make your doubts very clear. If the video is very useful to you, really useful for you, if something you're learning from my videos with respect to exams, with respect to knowledge, with respect to programmings, please do like and subscribe and click on the bell icon for more updates, because your like, your comments, your interaction motivates me. So right, so without wasting much time, let me quickly go back to the editor over here. Suppose this is what is. Let me write this. Let me delete this first. Okay, let me delete this first. So as you can see, the class name I have already written over here, array input 1. So let me write here class array input 1. As I've given, the class name is like this, input 1. This is a class name. Then the main method we have to write over here. Right. So public static void main. Here we'll pass one array object as a main method signature, giving as array 1, and this is array symbol indicates that it's an array. Now here students, I'll be printing one statement, system.out.print array elements. It's a message to the user in the console. Array elements are. Okay, simple thing. Now we'll write a for loop over here. For int I equal to 0, starting from 0. Okay, I less than, suppose 5 elements we want to print. I less than, let us 5. That means 0 to 4 it will go. 0 to 4, that is 5 only. Semicolon. Then it is I plus plus. As you can see the syntax of the for loop. Then the body starts over here. Simply we'll print over here system.out.print system.out.print. Follow it, students. Any doubt, ask me in the YouTube comment section. Okay, we'll print the array. What is the array name given here, students? This one. So just copy this one. So in between some space should be there. So this is the space. More you increase the space like this, the space between the elements will be increased. Okay, so let us give some space over here, then plus sign to concat, then the array name. Then close this for loop body, then close the main method, then close the class. Compile this. Some error is there. Let us debug it. What is the error over here? Let us check the error. Class expected. So array input you have taken here, public static void main. This is what our elements are. This one. This is a loop over here. And this is the array, right? So That is what is the array name we are printing. So this could be class expected, means you are printing this one, so I needs to be here. I equal to 0 as it is, because we are getting the values from this I, right? So compile this again, no syntax error, right? I missed this I. So this is the way you debug the program. Learn how I'm debugging it, I'm thinking it, what is wrong in the code. So this is the way you learn it. Now close this one, right click on this, click on this main method. Now see, this is the BlueJS system. This is what this window which you're seeing here, I'm highlighting with the cursor, is a BlueJS system. First you have to give the curly brackets over here. Now pass 5 elements, because I have taken 0 to 4. With commas you have to give 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and close the curly bracket. You can press enter also, you can press OK also. See, the array elements are 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. I hope this is clear, students. Let me go to the PPT. So I have shown you the code from scratch. As you can see, any doubt, any difficulty in understanding, please do ask me. I want class to be interactive. Comments sections are there in YouTube. You can ask me any doubt, any difficulty. Smart Codings will help you with no worries, right? So let's go to the next slide. This is the end of the slide. Now please do like and share and subscribe to Smart Coding channel if you find really useful these videos for your learnings. Stay safe, stay home, happy learning.